How to add a contact us form to your Wix website. So from the left hand side, we want to click on add elements, and right here we will scroll down until we go to contact and forums. So just click on it, and then from the first option, which is contact here, we can select a template for our form. So I'm going to do the first one. We just drag and drop it as we do anything on the Wix website, and I'm going to explain how you can set this up. It doesn't really require much from you, not much is required. You just want to position this wherever you would like on your website, and then you can change this to contact us to just let us know what you think. You can customize it. Basically, people will always need to fill in their first, last name, email address, and a message here. But if you want to change any, for example, let's say we want to change what message they get after submitting. So if we click on the form itself and we go to form settings, then right here you will see for submit message, you can change whatever you would like to have here. So let's do hi. For example, just showing you how you can customize this. So now if I click on the cross icon here, if I just close this, it will show us the message itself. So success message, you can also change it directly through here. But basically that's how you set up a form, a contact us form on a Wix website. You can customize this, you can play around with this. You can also click on design right here and change the design completely from some different templates that we have. But it's fairly easy. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.